Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I made this memory wire bracelet. It is made with memory wire, 4mm bicones, acrylic bicones, and 2mm gold spacers. So sit back and relax and I'll show you how I made it. To make that special mom of yours a bracelet. And what we're going to be using today, if you can see, I laid it out here. They're about 4mm bicones, acrylic bicones. You can find these at Michael's. It's really inexpensive. I got a huge bag of them for like maybe under $6. And the memory wire I also got at Michael's. It's about $1.67 for 12 loops, I believe. And the only extra thing you're going to need is a pair of memory wire cutters. You have to use memory wire cutters because these are tempered and you can ruin your regular cutters. But if you use a coupon on these, I got this pair for like, with my coupon, maybe $6. And we're going to also use some 2mm right here, gold beads right there. And I have this memory wire looper, which is also nice to have. I got these on Amazon. They were like $11. And this one's the 3, and this is a 1.5 right here, smaller one. And I already made the loop right here. At the end, I will show you how I made the loop. That way the beads don't fall off. Just kind of give it a turn here. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is I got this simple like one giant loop just to make it a little easier. It's quick, it's simple, and I think they look pretty. I don't have any more of the gold though. This is the only one I have left. All I have is the silver. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our 2mm gold bead. I'm going to put some, and you can use a beaded mat if you have one. I find it easier to use a beaded mat because they don't roll off. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the gold bead. Okay. Okay. And then you could just pick a color you want. I'm using these variety of colors here. I don't know. To me, they're a little springy. So maybe I'll take a white one. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the hole here. I'm looking through my camera. Okay. Yep. Okay, so we're going to take that. Focus. And we're going to let it fall down completely. Like that. And then we're going to take another gold bead. And by the way, you can get these at Michael's or Walmart. These particular ones I got at Walmart. And we call them like gold spacers or bead spacers, you know, just to add a little bit of space between the other beads and whatnot. So we're going to take that. Focus. Okay, and then we're going to put it through there. You just let it fall down. Like that. Like that. And then, so you want to pick up another one. I'm going to pick this one here. And then I'm going to string it on there. And let it fall down. To me, I like doing these just because I think they're relaxing. Like that. And so you want to take another gold bead. And you want to stick it in there. Like I said, oops. Looking through my camera, so yeah. Let's see here. You just put it, there we go. And then I'm going to do a purple bicoat. And then I'll take another gold bead. Like that. And we're going to let it run down. Like this. If it will go down. There we go. So that's what you have so far. So I'm going to take this pink one here. And I'm going to add it. If I can find it. Yeah. I think it's because my fingers... Like that. And then we want to swirl it around. And then move it down. I really hope you guys can see this okay. So that's what we got so far. And then we're going to take another gold bead. And push it down. And then we're going to take a white one. Push it down. A gold bead. It's kind of like a pattern, you know. And keep your pattern straight. But if you don't want to do that, you can do whatever you want. I was just trying to find an easy, inexpensive to me way to make that wonderful mama yours or for you, whatever, a bracelet. So then we're going to take the red one, or I guess it's a dark pink, right? And then we're going to put that in there. And then we're going to take some more the small beads. And this is, oh my gosh. If I wasn't looking through the camera, I could probably do it a little faster. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to do that. That's the pink one, right? And then we're going to do the purple. I think these are so cute. You can do these all year long. Simple, easy gifts, or if you want to wear one, you know, something, right? Oops. Let me get this. Okay, there we go. You know, there we go. And then you want to put a bead. If I can get it. Okay, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do it this way. I have a hard time seeing it. Okay, so we're going to stick the bead on. Like that. And then we're going to go get a pink one. There we go. And then we're going to get another gold bead. If I can get to find it. See, so far. You know what I like about memory wire is that you can move it all around and it still goes back into the same shape. You know, you're not going to hurt it any or anything like that. You can put 2 loops, 12 loops, whatever you want to do on these. And to me, they fit whatever, you know. I think that's why I like working with it so much. See, that's what you got so far. Camera does not do it justice. And you just want to pull it down like that. What do you think? I think it looks nice, right? You guys see it better? I hope you guys can see better. Okay, so we're gonna do. Sorry, I had to change the lighting in here. I feel like I live in a cave, seriously. There is no lighting. There we go. So what you want to do is just follow that pattern all the way around. And I usually like to leave, about, I don't know, inch or so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this and I'm going to finish up to this part here, and then I'll be right back. All right, everyone, when you're all done, about maybe you're out here, and I finished with another gold bead right here. And this is what it should look like. Pretty nice. Inexpensive. And what we're going to do is we're going to take, I like using them for memory wire because it has 2 different sizes, and I don't know, they work so much better. So we're going to take, oops, wrong way. We're going to take, oh, Pam, get it together. We're going to take this right here, okay? And you want it to turn downwards like this to where it touches the other side, or the other part of it, right? Like that. I just kind of, yeah, there we go. So, you know, like that. Okay. And there you've got your bracelet, so it doesn't come off. You can put a charm on there. I don't think I have any handy. I don't have any handy. You just put a little jump ring on him. Like, these are kind of big, and these are from an Etsy, the Etsy shop. They're pretty strong gauged jump rings. But you can put a little jump ring, like a 4 millimeter jump ring or something. And you can add a little charm, like right here. Or you could put one in the middle. I like putting charms, and this is what it would look like. You just could slip it on your wrist. Sorry for the fat wrist, guys. And that's what it looks like. Pretty nice, huh? Very inexpensive. Super cute, though. So that is what my tutorial, short little tutorial video, blah, if I could just spit it out, on how I make some of my bracelets. But I will show you what I made over the last few days. I got this one. Okay. And I did this one. This is my favorite right here. Super, super cute. And then this wooden one. It's like a boho bracelet. It's got your bead noodles, wood beads, and your chip ones. And that's what that looks like. Super cute. So yeah, there's my bracelets. I am putting these for sale on my like page. So I have my like page linked down below in the description box. They'll also be on my Instagram, which will also be down below in the description box. You can find me on those social media websites plus Twitter. I wanted to get some bracelets out. I really thought these were pretty, and I wanted to do something simple on this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just make a comment down below and I will answer that for you. You guys have a blessed day and stay safe. Bye.